Hello everyone and welcome back to Art City's Writer's Corner. My name is Aliya and today we are making cardboard pop-up books.
So for this craft you will need 2 small cardboard boxes. I'm using this cookie and cracker box. This is what will make our characters and background. A toilet roll tube. I'm using this to create a pop-up volcano, but it could also be used in other ways if you don't want a volcano in your story. And a large cardboard box. This will open up and we will trim the edges. This will create our book. Coloring tools, scissors, and writing tools.
We will start with deciding on our setting. Is it underwater, in the desert, on a farm, in a city, or even in outer space? I have chosen my setting to be a grassy hill with a bright blue sky. The bright colors will make our illustrations pop. So now we will be creating our background scenery. This is part of our setting. I have chosen to create a few trees and a bush. Don't feel limited to what I have chosen. You may choose to include rocks, flowers, palm trees, anything.
When drawing, make sure to leave a space at the bottom. This will be how we attach to our large cardboard. Now be careful when you cut it out.
Once you're done creating your setting, we will take our second cardboard box and create our characters. Your characters can be anything, but typically your characters will fit into your setting. I have chosen 2 dinosaurs, but your characters can be anything. Human, people, objects, supernatural beings, anything.
So we will take our cardboard and draw our characters leaving space, a rectangle. This is how we will attach our characters to the book. This one is named Stuart. And this one is named Brianna. What are your characters' names?
So now for creating the plot of our story. We have two options. The first one, you can print your story on top of the cardboard and it will be read like a book. Or you can write your story on little cardboard pull-out tabs so that when you pull on the tab, the writing in the plot of the story is revealed. I will be showing you how to create these pull-out tabs. Your story should fit in with your characters and your setting, and it may or may not offer a theme or a lesson.
Now to create our pull tabs, the end needs to be wider than the top. This is so that when you pull, it doesn't fall out. So you need a skinny wide rectangle, then a larger rectangle that is smaller in width, with a very skinny long rectangle at the end. This will be the pull tab. This will be where we write down our story, and this will be our anchor. So we will create 6 of these in various sizes.
On each skinny pull tab, we will be labeling setting the scene, intro the problem, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. For a refresher on what these terms mean, see our previous video on short stories. Splitting our story up this way will help us keep focus. My story will be about Stuart and Brianna fixing their friendship with the volcano before the volcano's anger causes an eruption.
The first step is to plan out where we want everything to be.
So now for the tricky part. We will be attaching our characters and our scenery to the large cardboard book. So now if you have a little tape or glue, you could add a little bit to that rectangle that we left at the bottom of each character and piece of scenery, and you can just glue or tape that on to the large book. But if you're like me and you don't have any tape or glue, don't worry, because we are going to be cutting small little slots into the cardboard, and we'll be weaving our cardboard characters and scenery through.
The easiest way I found to attach everything was to take a pen and poke 3 holes into the cardboard, which creates a hole just big enough for my scissors to cut a line. You want to cut a slot just as big as the middle piece,